So mark my word, folks, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit, or just order up a plate. Guroux Khalifa of Distrikt Biscuit House is here to show us how to take Biscuit to the next level. Now, Guroux, that is a lovely name, but you also told me I could call you just Roo.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So you have worked up some really amazing recipes that all revolve around biscuits.
Absolutely.
Where did that concept come from?
Honestly, everybody just loves biscuits, and I just
The
wanted
more
to...
butter, the better?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I'm
Yeah.
here for that. Okay, so are we actually going to work on a Kansas City inspired one today?
Yes, it's our KC smokestack biscuit that pays homage to Kansas City barbecue.
I mean, who doesn't love that, right?
Right,
And
yeah.
you already have some beef belly going. Is that the first step?
Yeah, the first step is we're gonna render down some of the fat on the beef belly and get a nice little crust and sear on it.
That looks
And
real good.
then we are going to, what is this?
We're going to get our stovetop to work and put a little oil on. And then are we going to start our magic biscuits going?
Definitely.
Okay,
We're gonna toast our biscuit.
Is this like a family recipe or one you came up with?
There was, so basically there's a small story behind it. My mom, she used to always make biscuits, but they...
He has his mother's biscuit recipe?
No, not quite. They weren't good. So I decided...
He's very honest here. Hopefully, is Mom watching right now?
No, she's not.
Okay,
no.
okay. Well,
but
thank goodness, because you just said her biscuits weren't good.
I've developed this recipe for a little over 10 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, so it's been a work in progress and a labor of love. I love hearing that. Okay,
definitely.
So now when we're talking about this like smokestack inspired, what comes next? We got the beef belly going and of course the biscuits going.
Yeah, so the beef belly was slow braised and smoked, so that's where you get the smokestack
Sounds
part
like
of
perfection.
And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna have you do, is dump our beans into this pan so we can get those up.
Okay, and these are just regular baked beans?
Yeah, these are smoked with a little bit of the beef belly, cubed beef belly. We make a beef belly burnt in with the belly as well.
That sounds
so that's
so
basically what this is, with a few spices and some vegetables and some bourbon barbecue sauce that we make in house.
Okay, and while this is going, what's the next thing we're gonna do? We add in some slaw. It sounds like eventually.
Yeah, so we get the biscuit going, and then we're gonna, which it sounds like it's pretty much there. Yeah.
Yeah, the buzzing is a good noise.
Yeah.
Means things are heating up over here.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna sit that there.
Got a little buttery biscuit.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that smells great.
What we're gonna do,
just flip it over.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We're gonna
add that
there. Yeah.
All right. Glad I could be helpful here.
Yeah, definitely.
So then we're gonna add in the pickles. Now, when you're talking about flavor profiles, why did you guys choose to add in just that sweetness and that saltiness with pickle?
Yeah, that zest that the pickle gives to the sandwich.
Yeah.
And then next.
And then there's nothing like...
I don't have any tongs, so we're gonna just go.
We're just gonna go with it, yeah. And cold and creamy, coleslaw, this takes me to like summers, definitely barbecue, and of course we love it here in Kansas City.
Definitely, absolutely.
And then it wouldn't be finished, right, without some crispy onion rings.
Right.
Oh my gosh. And what was your process for making those?
It's just a little bit of our fry chicken dredge that we just toss the onions in, and then we finish it with a little fresh chive.
Sorry, I couldn't wait until the end. This onion straw is delicious.
And then some of our house-made bourbon barbecue sauce to finish that off. And then we're gonna...
Oh my gosh. This looks killer. And this is on your restaurant week menu?
Yes, this is on the restaurant week menu along with some other great items that we offer.
And you guys are right across from the stadium, so after that Chiefs game, you can head on over to Distrikt Biscuit House,
inside of the Adams Mark Hotel, right across the street from the stadiums. So yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be looking for a fork in the next commercial break to try this, but Roo, thank you so much for walking us through all that.
No problem at all.
It looks awesome.
Yeah, thank you.